Firstly, thank you very much for your support in my previous videos. Now let's elaborate more on how to make money on Facebook. So guys, Facebook is a bit easier than YouTube, so is TikTok. YouTube has many rules and regulations and complications, but Facebook and TikTok are easy and hassle-free. So let's talk about Facebook. What are the tips to make money on Facebook? I know that there might be some questions like how to turn on professional mode, how to set up payouts, what are Facebook Reels, what are the best practices for making Reels and posts. I have figured out some ways to make money from Facebook. For example, you can earn money from Facebook Reels and live videos, selling on Facebook, page views and likes, refer a friend bonus, Facebook ads, crowdfunding, find job on Facebook, get involved in groups, invest in Facebook, and so on. If you have direct advertisements, then you can get money straight away, right? But if you expect money from Facebook, then you need monetization. Facebook won't pay you unless your account is monetized and proper payout account is set. Firstly, you must turn on professional mode on your account. Let's have a look at this video which will help you with the process. Here's how you can earn money from Facebook. First, go to your profile, click on the three dots. Then you can see the option turn on professional mode. Click here. Now press on turn on. As you can see, you need to update your profile. After you do that, go to your dashboard. Then search for the monetization option. Click on it. Now press on the stars. As you can see, you need to fulfill some criteria to start earning from Facebook. After you do that, you need to set up a payout account and you can earn money every time you receive stars on Facebook. So this was the video about how to enable professional mode. But what about the payout account? Let's talk about that as well. You will see options as individual or business account, so select accordingly. Next is you need to choose payment option, either PayPal or direct bank. You can
Okay, let me add a bit more information, guys. To set up and manage your payouts, first of all, you need legal name, address, phone number, and an email address. Similarly, country of residence and a business type. You must provide a taxpayer information based on your country of residence and business type. If you select the United States as your country of residence and identify as an individual, you are asked to enter your Social Security number, SSN. If you select the US and identify yourself as a non-individual business type, you are asked to enter your EIN. If you select a country of residence outside the US, you are asked to enter your applicable foreign tax ID. For UK, NI. For India, PAN. Bank or PayPal account information. Bank or PayPal are your two options, so choose whichever is easiest for you. Bank account holder's name and account details. If you have a PayPal account, then you need username and password. That's it.
now let's check out the Facebook monetization requirements. First point is stars. For this you need at least 1000 followers for 60 consecutive days. You need to live in an eligible country. You can check out the details on Facebook or comment below to know more about the eligible country. Now let's move towards the second point, which is live ads. You need a minimum of 10,000 followers. In the last 60 days you need 600,000 on-demand live and previously live minutes viewed. At least 60,000 eligible minutes considered in the last 60 days must be from your live videos. Minimum of 3 on-demand or previous live videos is required that is published on your page, which must be active and created by you. The third point is In-stream ads. For this, you must have a minimum of 5,000 followers, must have good engagement like a minimum of 60,000 on-demand videos or lives, and lastly, a minimum of 5 on-demand or previously live videos. Next one is subscriptions. A minimum of 10,000 followers are required, minimum of 250 weekly returning viewers are required, minimum of 50,000 post engagements, and a minimum of 180,000 minutes viewed. As you can see, there are many numbers included in the requirements and you must precisely follow those requirements to pass for the monetization. These numbers may not be same always, so please check our description or comment section time to time as we will update the numbers and informations whenever we receive updates about those things. Other monetizing ways are paid online events and bonuses. Now let's see what are Facebook Reels. So basically Facebook Reels are simple videos of up to you can simply click or edit short videos and upload them on your page. It can be simple and you don't need special skills or equipments to make reels. This easy way is just perfect for beginners, bloggers and online marketers. So how does it work? Facebook shows advertisements in between or before or after your Facebook Reels. Simply speaking, Facebook is sharing the profit with you. They receive money for showing ads and they use your content to show those ads to other people and pay you for that. So if your videos are good and are viewed by more number of people, then you will get more money from Facebook. One more thing guys, Reels can unlock huge growth potential for creators including more opportunity for creativity. So you must focus on the quality of your content, relate to your audience, share unique POVs of things. These are some points you must remember. If you have any questions or issues then please feel free to message me. I will try my best to respond to your messages as soon as possible. If you want to follow my social media then you can simply search Himaltech on YouTube, Facebook and other social medias as well. You can find the links in the description below. Also you can contact me for all the SEO related services. Let's grow together guys. Thank you and see you on the next video.